Welcome back to my channel. Mary here at The Good Life with M. So here we are at the Cosmopolitan Hotel. We just parked, and upon entering from the elevator, you're greeted with this large, grand bar area. I immediately looked up and you can see like crystal and just the ceilings are all decorated. The whole place exudes sexiness. And then here you can see this light show of some sort where it looks like people are stuck inside a box. And then I think they're naked. They look naked, and they look like they're trying to find their way out. So this was kind of matched the vibe of the hotel, really. Now this place is just the reception area, and you can see that it's almost intoxicating with all of the images and the materials, and with the mirrors and everything. It really draws you in. Now up here we are heading into the pool area because we're waiting for our room to be ready. We did check in a little bit early. You're actually not supposed to bring any of your luggages up here, so we were told by the attendant to bring it back in. So that's kind of what we did. The guys stayed behind while Ava and I kind of perused the whole pool area. So this is kind of like a nice rooftop pool, and you can see it's not that crowded, which I like, but it was a little chilly up there, so we ended up just kind of going back in. We actually never used the pool. So you're probably wondering why we're checking in at the Cosmopolitan. We got a free stay here, so we decided to take the opportunity. The kids were still staying at the Palazzo, but they were helping us to check in, so this is a nice overnight stay with my husband and I. You can see there's art pretty much everywhere, like the floors, the frames, and like the wall decor, the artwork, and the chair even coming off the elevator. Coming into our room, you could see how beautifully decorated it is. It is more on the modern side and I feel like caters more to the younger crowds. So this is our first time staying here, but I've always told my husband that I'd like to stay here one day just to see what it's all about. So here we're coming up to the mini bar station. We didn't touch any of that, but we did check to make sure that nothing was missing. And then the room is controlled by that little monitor there. And then panning around, you could see this is a suite. There's an area here to watch TV. We didn't really use this area as much because we weren't really in our room, but you could see how spacious it is. And then there's an area there for working if you needed to. And then here we are. You can see right into our room. So here's Ashton opening part of our closet and kind of checking out what's in there. You can see that there's a safe and some other little gadgets in there. I actually didn't really utilize that portion as much, but the other side you can see where we can keep our clothes, and it's got this cool pink wallpaper in there. Ava was playing in the closet for a little bit just to kind of see how many people could fit in there. You could probably fit like a couple, maybe 3. And then you could see our bathroom. If you've seen my video on the Palazzo hotel room, you can see how different it is from what it looks like here. This is more minimalistic. There's some scalloping in the cabinetry, but it's got more of a modern glam vibe. So walking into the shower / tub area, you could see that it is tiled up from floor to ceiling. This window here separates the shower room from the bedroom. And here looking out, I don't think that window is tinted, but I think there was a roller shade, but we didn't utilize that. You can see close up the mosaic tile had an iridescence to it. It almost gave that mermaid look. So pretty glam. And then the toilet room also, it was interesting because they had this wallpaper there. From looking afar, you can see that there's an image of a face, a profile, but when you're actually up close, you can't really tell. So I kind of like this kind of art where it's kind of subtle and hidden. And then coming around, you'll see the bedroom. So there's some nice wallpaper, and then there's another TV. and then you can see into the tub area. So unfortunately, one of the faucets was not working, so we didn't use it. But I thought the feature of looking into the tub area from the bedroom was kind of beautiful. So looking out here is our balcony, and I don't know how safe this is because I feel like you don't see a lot of these in high-rise hotel rooms because obviously we did get a full view of the Bellagio fountains when they were having their shows in the evening, and that was great. And there you see the palazzo where the kids are staying, so we could see how far away we were from them. After settling in, my family and I went downstairs to kind of check out the restaurants and the stores. And then you could see here, that's a Marquee nightclub, the chandelier. So this is one of their known features within the hotel, and it's so beautiful. It's pretty grand, and it's all pink. I think most of the pink is coming from the lighting. You've reached the end of my video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I will be back with my last part of this Las Vegas series next week at Area 51. So stay tuned for that and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.